That ongoing mayoral mess in East Cleveland. Thanks for joining us tonight for the news at 10. I'm Chris Fry. 19 News has uncovered court records where the interim mayor is fighting to stay in power, while another self-proclaimed mayor has just fired the assistant law director. Michelle Nix breaks down the latest legal filings.
It's a legal tug-of-war in East Cleveland that has interim mayor Sandra Morgan going head-to-head against self-proclaimed mayor Lateek Shabazz. And those who live and work in the community of East Cleveland are waiting for an emergency court ruling to sort out who really is in charge at City Hall. The conviction of suspended East Cleveland Mayor Brandon King gives the city permission to move forward with a new leader. But court records just obtained by 19 News prove it's not going to be that simple. Sandra Morgan has now filed an emergency injunction asking the court to, quote, prevent Lateek Shabazz from representing himself as the mayor of East Cleveland. Morgan argues her appointment by Judge Anthony Ross stands and cites the judgment entry made with her appointment that says the court further finds that Sandra Morgan should serve as interim mayor of the city of East Cleveland until a successor mayor is elected and qualified to serve the next succeeding term. Shabazz cites the East Cleveland Charter that has the president of council succeeding the mayor when his suspension has ended. Adding to the controversy, self-proclaimed Mayor Shabazz fired Assistant Law Director Heather McCullough, terminating her on city letterhead with his name and title as mayor. The reason? He says McCullough offered her legal opinion on who is rightfully mayor with no authority to do so when she spoke to 19 News on June 3rd. Shabazz writes, a law director is required to obtain council approval to respond to suits or complaints, and you did not. On that issue, Morgan is also asking the court to step in and stop the termination, saying Ms. McCullough is currently the only attorney in the law department, and this would have the effect of shutting down the city. Shabazz has now also filed a criminal complaint against interim Mayor Morgan, saying she is obstructing official business. Both Morgan and Shabazz have asked the appeals court for an emergency decision in this mayoral mess. And for the people of East Cleveland, it's likely a decision can't come soon enough. Michelle Nix, 19 News.